First couple days there was ice chunks floating all across the tracks. Due to a lot of the waters being so high, we just were not able to even safely get in there and effectively do any work to repair them while the water was that high.
I've been with BNSF 25 years and by far the worst flooding event I've been involved with. At one point we had 18 subdivisions impacted. 12 of those subdivisions were out of service simultaneously. So if you could just imagine the central part of our network being shut down. So our main east-west route, the Creston sub out of Lincoln, out of service for multiple days. Our main north-south routes, both the St. Joseph and the Sioux City subs, were out of service. Our Napier sub took a direct hit. So at one point there was 55 miles of railroad underwater, and it remained that way for a significant amount of time before we could assess damages. We have seen events like this, and so you first go to thinking that this is going to be normal springtime flooding, and often we're really good at responding when we have these type of events. But it quickly developed into something more. It became apparent that this was going to be an event that like we haven't seen before.
We're working at 24 hours. There's someone here 24/7 to make sure they got fuel, make sure lines don't break, make sure the pump continue to work so we can get this expedited as soon as possible.
We did prepare by stocking ballast, having trains ready to go, ballast trains, belt trains, slot trains. We had machines where we needed to have them in case something did occur.
This event was historical in the amount of material that we used to restore service. In the end, we'll have dumped over 1 million tons. Think about that, 1 million tons of materials. One of the things I'm most proud of is this was a long duration event. Just the attitude of our people, as far as you would think they'd be burnt out and maybe tired, and it's just the opposite. They're motivated. They want to get the railroad back in service. Here at BNSF, serving our customers and making sure that we can restore service and move our freight on time is really built into our culture.